Hi guys, let's take a look at your directions for Thursday, April 2nd. So today we're moving into a different part of poetry. So now we have learned our terms, we've analyzed. Let's now move into writing our own or kind of creating our own. So our objective is I can write my own poetry by borrowing techniques from a mentor text. Now, very similar to what we've done with our mentor texts with different types of writing in class, we'll just do the same with poetry, thinking about how can I take what this person has already done and kind of make it into my own, okay? So your directions are simple, like we did yesterday. Watch the screencast and complete the activity. The screencast is going to walk through with you what a mentor poem is. So how can I take a poem that's already been written and then kind of change the idea, but keep some of the same structures to make it my own. That one's going to be Mrs. Hahn guiding you through that one. There are slides in case you want to refer to them. Those are just some extra notes. And then you'll have your activity. So Miss Hahn will go through this in the video with you guys, but you'll make a copy of this. And then you will see a couple of different choices you have for poems that you can make your own. So let's make our screen a little bit bigger here. Okay, so you will see again on this side there's the example, and then Mrs. Hahn made her own here. And you guys are going to do the same with some different ones you have choices of from down here. So we have some Shel Silverstein. There we go. We have one is called What is Pink, Alone, The Rider. So you can choose one of those and use the techniques that the person used on the original one to make your own. Same as always, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to jump on with you, chat through what you guys need help with, and we can look at these together. Okay, so just let me know what you need, and I hope it goes well for you.